Oops, you spilled coffee on your shirt. It happens. That feeling of instant regret. Monday morning, running late, the clock is ticking. Now a giant stain on your brand new shirt. It seems like the day is off to a terrible start. But what if that coffee stain isn't a disaster, but an opportunity, a chance to reframe your perspective? This is the core idea from the book, The Obstacle is the Way, by Ryan Holiday, a philosophy that encourages us to see challenges as pathways to growth. Every problem, big or small, from a spilled drink to a missed deadline, is a chance to practice patience and resilience. Instead of letting a spill ruin your day, you can say, challenge accepted. Maybe you flip the shirt inside out, borrow one from a colleague, or just own the stain with confidence. Taking a breath, pausing for a moment, and asking, what can I do about this, puts you back in control. This ability to reframe challenges is a secret superpower. It's a skill that can be applied to all areas of your life. That little spill? It's a pop quiz from the universe, a tiny test of your resilience and adaptability. The obstacle in your path isn't blocking the way, it's not a dead end, it's the path forward, the opportunity for growth. Move forward, right through the mess. Embrace the imperfection and keep going. Once you adopt this mindset, even the worst days get a little more bearable. And a lot more manageable. You've got this. Let's dig into this powerful concept, the obstacle is the way mindset. It's a philosophy that can truly transform how you navigate life's inevitable challenges. We're going to explore how to adopt this mindset and use it to your advantage. It all starts in your head. The way you perceive the world, the stories you tell yourself, these all shape your reality. It's not about pretending bad things don't happen. Life throws curveballs, and denying that reality is not only unhelpful, but also unrealistic. The book isn't magic. Reading about this mindset won't automatically solve your problems. It's about the story you tell yourself when things go wrong. It's about reframing your internal narrative. You can say, this is a disaster, everything is ruined, or you can ask, what can I learn from this? How can I grow from this experience? Imagine two people stuck in the same elevator. It's a classic scenario, a confined space, and an unexpected delay. One panics, making things worse. Their anxiety escalates, leading to irrational decisions and increased stress. The other takes a breath, acknowledges the situation, uses the time to meditate, and stays calm, conserving energy and thinking clearly. The situation is the same for both individuals. The elevator is still stuck. The difference is perspective. It's the lens through which they view the challenge. You can't control what happens externally, the unexpected events that life throws your way, but you can always control your response. You have the power to choose how you react to any given situation. That's your superpower, the ability to choose your reaction. Deciding if something is a catastrophe, a life-altering negative event, or just an inconvenience, a minor setback. The first step is changing your perspective, shifting your mindset to see challenges differently. You can't control the weather, the rain, the wind, or the sunshine. Traffic, the endless sea of cars during rush hour, or closed ice cream shops, especially on a hot summer day. But you can control your reaction to these everyday frustrations. That choice unlocks a happier, more successful life, filled with resilience and growth. It's not about ignoring problems or pretending they don't exist. It's about seeing them as opportunities for growth and learning. Every obstacle is a chance to practice your best self, to become stronger and more resilient. The power is always in your hands to choose your response. Use it, embrace it, and transform your life. The first lesson from the book? Perception. Nothing is inherently good or bad. It's our judgment that makes it so. Getting fired can feel like failure, or it can be the push you need to start something new. It's all about how you frame it. Training for a marathon and twist your ankle? You can focus on what you've lost, or you can use the time to build other strengths. The obstacle hasn't changed. Your approach has. The Stoics taught us to be objective and control our emotions. Stick to the facts, not the drama. When you look at a problem calmly, you see it for what it is, just something to solve. That's when creative solutions appear. Don't let your story defeat you before you start. Perception turns setbacks into setups for growth. The obstacle is just a new direction. See it clearly, and you'll find your way through. Changing your perception is step one, but you can't just sit there, you have to act. Imagine your car breaks down. Seeing it as a challenge is great, but you still need to call a tow truck or ask for help. Action is what moves you forward. The book says, be persistent and creative. If the front door is locked, check the window, look for another way in. Don't give up after the first try. Break big problems into small steps and tackle them one by one. Progress is made through steady, sometimes frustrating effort. When you face a big obstacle, ask, what's the next right thing I can do? Don't wait for the perfect solution, just take the next step. Writing a book? Start with one sentence. Cleaning a messy house? Pick up one sock. Small actions build momentum and confidence. You prove to yourself you're in control. That energy fuels the next step. Action turns obstacles into progress. You've got perspective and you're taking action. But what if things still don't work out? This is where will comes in, your inner strength and resilience. Will is what keeps you going when nothing else works. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the obstacle remains. Maybe your business fails or the illness doesn't go away. Will is accepting what you can't change without being crushed by it. True strength is enduring the battles you can't win and still standing tall. Think of a boxer. Perception is seeing the opponent as a challenge. Action is fighting, and will is getting back up after being knocked down. Will is fortitude and patience. Even in failure, there's a lesson. Even in pain, there's a chance to practice strength. Will is the quiet spirit that endures. We all have it, but we build it by facing hard things and not giving up. When all else fails, you still have your will. That's real power. History is full of people who faced seemingly insurmountable odds, yet they emerged victorious because of their challenges. Take Thomas Edison, for example. He failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Each setback could have been a reason to quit, but he persevered. He didn't see failure, just steps in the process, guiding him closer to his ultimate goal. Amelia Earhart wanted to fly when society told her no. She faced obstacles, took action, and kept going, defying expectations and breaking barriers with every flight. The very things meant to stop her became her fuel, igniting her determination. J.K. Rowling was a struggling single mom facing financial hardship. She was rejected by publishers again and again. Each rejection letter was a blow. But she believed in her story, kept sending it out, refining it, and never losing sight of the magic she knew it contained. Her struggle became her strength, shaping her narrative and resonating with millions around the world. These people weren't born with superpowers. They weren't immune to fear, doubt, or hardship. They just faced their obstacles head-on, armed with courage, resilience, and an unwavering belief in their own potential. The obstacle was the way. Their stories prove it's not the problem that matters, but how you face it. Use them to become your own superhero, transforming adversity into opportunity and weakness into strength. Ordinary people, extraordinary resilience. It's a testament to the power of the human spirit. Every challenge was a stepping stone, a chance to learn, adapt, and become stronger. You have the same tools: resilience, determination, and the power of choice. The only question is, will you use them? The choice is yours. Choose wisely, choose bravely, and choose to become the superhero of your own story. You don't have to be Edison or Earhart to use this philosophy. Everyday life is your training ground. Stuck in traffic? Old you gets angry. New you listens to a podcast and learns something. Difficult conversation? See it as a chance to strengthen a relationship. Broken appliance? Try to fix it, learn a new skill, or just practice patience. Every annoyance is a rep at the gym for your character. Perception. See the opportunity. Action. Take a step, however small. Will endure the discomfort and keep going. You're not just solving problems, you're building resilience. Each day gives you a new chance to practice. The small stuff prepares you for the big stuff. Every obstacle is a lesson. Use daily challenges to get stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Your life is the perfect obstacle course. Here's the big takeaway. Life will throw obstacles your way. You can't stop them, but you can choose how to meet them. Decide now to see problems as opportunities to grow. It's not about being happy all the time. It's about finding meaning in the struggle. You have perception, action, and will. Your toolkit for life. With them, you can flip any negative situation into a positive. Next time you face a challenge, smile and say, "Here's my chance to be awesome." Don't waste energy complaining. Use it to engage with the problem. Lean in, wrestle with it, and find the hidden gift. The path to success isn't smooth. It's rocky, and the rocks are the way. Every obstacle makes you stronger for the next one. Embrace your problems. They're your teachers. They show you how strong and creative you can be. So go find your next obstacle and show it who's boss. You've got this.